Sanibona Badali, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be showing you how I achieve this vibrant, beautiful eye look. I mean, it's Christmas activation, and why not color? Like, why not? First thing first, we're going to start by prepping our eyelids, and for that we're going to be using the Signature Eye Perfect eyeshadow primer, mixing it with the Essence Stay All Day Long concealer. One thing I love about this mixture is that it makes my eyeshadow pops, especially today that we're going to be doing color, and it makes my eyeshadow stay all day long. Now we're going to go on and blend our eyeshadow base using a tapping technique. Do not drag the brush when blending, it will make your eyeshadow crease. So now for the eye look, we're going to be using the Chilled Makeup Revolution palette, and we're going to be using the color Plant, which is a green shade for our crease region. So we're going to go on and pack the green shade around our crease region. We're not going to be blending it because it is not much of a pigmented color. So we're going to go in and pack the shade. To blend out the color Plant around our crease region, we're going to be using the Forever Flawless Makeup Revolution palette. The shade is Canary, to make sure that the colors transition from one another perfectly. So now to cut our crease, we're going to be using the Essence Stay All Day Long 16-hour long lasting concealer. I think it's the shade Natural Beige. I'm not sure of the shade. I will link that on the description box. So to cut your crease, start directly from your inner corners. Make sure to not use a lot of product as you cut your crease towards obviously your outer V. It depends on how long you want your cut crease to be like. Again, make sure to not use a lot of product, because the mistake I made was using a lot of product, which made it very difficult to blend. Now we're gonna go on and blend around our crease region area to make sure that our concealer doesn't crease. Make sure to look down as you cut your crease to make sure again that it does not crease, because the more you keep looking up and down, your concealer is gonna crease. So now to deepen our outer V corner, we're gonna go back to the palette which we used for our crease region, which is the Chilled Revolution palette, and use the very same eye shade, which is Plant, to deepen out our outer V corner. So this time around, we blend as we apply the eyeshadow around the outer V. So if you feel like after blending or applying your eyeshadow, you have a demarcation line, as you can see, there is a straight demarcation line around my eyelid, go in and blend back and forth, to diffuse the line. As you can see, I am blending back and forth before applying another shade. So now for the middle upper lid, we're going to be using the Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise palette, and we're going to go back to the Canary shade and apply it around the middle eyelid. So as I said, the shade is really not pigmented, it is very powdery. Like the Forever Flawless palette, it's so very much powdery, so blow it out before applying it on your eyelids, provided you have applied makeup before. So yeah, blend as you go. Now you're gonna go on and apply the white shade from the Forever Flawless palette, which is Cockatoo, just to give the look a little bit of a tropical vibrant kind of vibe. Yeah, I hope you get what I mean. Now we're gonna go on and apply mascara on both our eyes. The mascara I'm using is from Mr. Price, from the Scarlet Hill brand. We're now gonna go in and apply the Blackest Black eyeliner from Avon True Color around our waterline region. Am I even saying the correct thing? Yeah, around our waterline region. This eyeliner was actually a gift, so yeah, shout out to the person who gifted me this eyeliner. One thing I can say with applying eyeliner around your waterline area, you're just gonna keep practicing, because It's just kind of weird. So now we're gonna go on and apply our eyelashes. So I went on and cut my eyelashes into half, so I'm only going to be applying it on the outer V of the eye. I'm using the Adhel lash glue. So the reason why I'm applying only on the outer V is to avoid like anything towards my inner part of the eye, because my eyes have been showing me flames lately. But beside that, I also love the natural kind of vibe that this kind of way of applying lashes gives. So yeah, after that I'll go in to the inner part of the eye and apply mascara, and yeah, that is it. That is pretty much the end of the eye look. I'm gonna go on and do the rest of my face off camera, and I will show you the end results.